Today, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best industrial green cleaners for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion, smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best industrial green cleaners for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description. Box below. In today's world, businesses are increasingly prioritizing sustainability and eco-friendly practices. One of the easiest and most effective ways to do this is by switching to industrial green cleaners. These environmentally friendly cleaning products not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also create a healthier workplace for employees and customers alike. Here are some top options to consider. Number 1. EcoAir Industrial Cleaner. EcoAir offers powerful cleaning solutions for industrial spaces without harmful chemicals. Perfect for cleaning machinery, floors, and surfaces, this product is biodegradable and safe for both the environment and your workforce. Its non-toxic formula ensures air quality remains high in the workplace. Number 2. GreenWorks All-Purpose Cleaner. For general cleaning needs, GreenWorks delivers effective results with plant-based ingredients. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and common areas, offering a streak-free finish and eliminating grime without harsh chemicals. GreenWorks is certified by the EPA's Safer Choice program. Number 3. 7th Generation Industrial Cleaner 7th Generation provides a variety of green cleaning products that are perfect for industrial use. From heavy-duty degreasers to daily cleaning solutions, this brand prioritizes renewable ingredients and packaging that reduce waste, making it a great choice for businesses seeking a sustainable option. Switching to industrial green cleaners not only helps the planet, but also ensures a cleaner, safer workspace. Choose eco-friendly solutions today and contribute to a greener tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video.